We're going to do an unboxing of the fecal occult blood test or the bowel cancer screening program from Australia. We have an exciting bit of mail here. We're going to open it up. We have a couple of things. We have a little pamphlet from the National Bowel Cancer Screening Program. And this is for the healthcare provider. Very nifty. So it just gives us a bit of info. We have a nice pamphlet. You see a little life raft there. Life raft with a toilet paper. Good quality joke. Aussie humour. Do love it. This just encourages people, gives them some info. Always good to be informed about your health. Finally, this is the most important bit. A free home test kit. Let's crack that open. Lovely. So 100% recyclable. That's nice. Okay. What do we have? We have instructions. Always good to follow instructions. This is a Sonic healthcare kit. We have the individual tubes. You will get 2 of these. And as always, make sure that they are labelled with 3 points of ID. That means they can identify you at the lab. So you get 2 of them. Second one. You also get the joy of bin lining. So these are toilet liners. These are to put down on the toilet for when you are doing your business. So these are to put down on the toilet when you do your business. You can see which side goes up, and you can flush down them afterwards because they're biodegradable. So that's quite nice. So you get 2 of those. What a treat. And 2 of those to take 2 samples on separate days. So let's say you take your sample. You'll crack this. This is an expired kit, by the way, so I'm using it. So I'm using the expired kit because I thought, you might as well put it to good use. Make sure your kit isn't expired before you do use it. You use this to swirl. You use this to sort of swirl around in the poo, get a good sample, pop it back in there, and that's looking for microscopic blood in the poo, stuff you wouldn't normally see. If you do have active symptoms, but always best to chat to your doctor directly. And you put it in this handy dandy container. You can see there's soft packaging and then a Ziploc bag. So that's for safety. So we're going to whack it in there. And then once it's been in there, you put it in this envelope, reply paid, send it off to Sonic Healthcare in this case. There are a range of other options if you do want to get a separate kit from your GP, but this appears to be a Sonic kit. Before you do that, check that you have enclosed your participant details. You don't want to be sending in poo without telling them who it's from. Write your details on both collection tubes and complete your name and address, sign the front of the envelope. So that's it. Very straightforward. We'll do another video on how to actually collect it. But important test if you're over 50 and thinking about bowel cancer screening, not a bad idea. If you're 45 to 50, it may be worth a chat with your doctor because there's some evidence from the US that we should maybe be screening for bowel cancer early, and that's evolving.